Ever heard of California's top private high school? Let's take a closer look at the Webb Schools.
Okay, let's start with the big one. Webb is the #1 private high school in the entire state.
But it's about more than just rankings. It's a place where students forge friendships for life. A huge 64% of students are boarders. That means a truly vibrant, global community lives right here. And the location? It's pretty much perfect. You're surrounded by mountains, close to the beach, and LA. And learning is hands-on. In fact, Webb is the only high school with its own paleontology museum.
And if fossils aren't your thing, how about rockets? Students here built a record-breaking rocket engine.
So where does all this amazing work lead? To incredible results. 90% attend top-tier universities.
And we're talking about the best of the best. Places like Stanford, MIT, Yale, and Princeton. Everything at Webb is guided by 4 simple but powerful ideas. Think, act, lead, and serve.
So let's recap. #1 ranking, amazing location, and a direct path to the world's best colleges.
Think Webb could be the place for you? To find out more, just keep scrolling down this page.